knees low in a bracket. You want to lift that leg under, push it into the pole, and get comfortable here. Really reaching out, pushing away. This leg comes towards me. There you go. Push away from the pole with that bottom arm. Good, good. And squeeze, squeeze between thighs. That's what we're conditioning, that grip right there. Torso away from the pole, pushing away with the hand. Nice. And then push away from the pole. Good, good, good.
You keep your mind on the